Next topic is uniform motion and non-uniform motion. There are two types of motion. First, uniform, and second, non-uniform. Let us see what is uniform motion. If an object covers equal distances in equal interval of time, then the object said to be in uniform motion. See, if an object covers equal distances in equal interval of time, then the object is said to be in uniform motion. If an object covers a distance from A to B and B to C, okay, the distance between A to B is 10 km and the distance between B to C is also 10 km. If an object takes 5 minutes to cover A to B, and again that object takes same 5 minutes in next interval of distance, which is BC. So first 10 km in 5 minutes and second 10 km in 5 minutes. It means that the object are in uniform motion. Clear? Non-uniform motion is just opposite to uniform motion. See, if an object covers equal distance, means the distance be same, because the distance between Patna to Delhi never change, which is fixed value, constant value. Patna to Delhi, the distance between two consecutive or any two places remains same, but the speed vary. So if an object covers equal distance in unequal interval of time, means if an object covers first 10 km in 5 minutes and another 10 km in 8 km, then it's said to be that object are in non-uniform motion. Speed. We know that distance equals to speed into time. From this way, we find out S equals to D upon T. The rate of distance covered by an object is said to be its speed. The total distance covered by an object per unit interval of time is known as its speed. Let us find out the unit of speed. The SI unit of distance is meter and SI unit of time is second. So the SI unit of speed is meter per second. Okay. Second topic is average speed. Average speed equals to total distance upon total time. If an object covers A to B 50 km, B to C 30 km, from A to B it takes 5 hours, and from B to C it takes